Welcome back, good people. Thank you for choosing this video. Today I want us to talk about some of the businesses which you can do here in Kenya with as little as 20,000 Kenya shillings and below. So here are some of them. The first one is small fast food restaurant. The demand for affordable food is constant. With 20,000, rent a small shop in a busy location and offer simple menu such as chapatis, burger, fries, mandazis, and snacks. The second business you can begin with less than 20,000 is an e-commerce store. An e-commerce is growing every day. You need to create an online store. You need to source for products such as electronics, clothes, home goods, etc. Then you need to find a reliable supplier with competitive pricing. You also need to invest in a good photography and implement a seamless and reliable delivery all shipping solution. The third business you can begin with less than 20,000 is selling mitumba. Mitumba is a lucrative venture in Kenya as demand for second-hand clothes is high. With your 15,000, you need to go to Gikomba or Eastleigh and buy the second-hand clothes there. Then you can start selling by roadsides. The fourth business that you can begin operating with less than 20,000 is daycare. With the current economy, many parents spend a lot of time looking for money, and of course, they need someone to take care of their little children. And all you need in a daycare is to hire an extra room and get a little furniture, and that one is will simply cost you less than 20,000. So those are some of the businesses that you can begin with less than 20,000 in Kenya. Let's meet on our next video so that you can get more business tips. Thank you.